I was here on this beach, and on this right hand side over here there were more than 200 trucks of garbage which was thrown all around over here by tourists or anybody, because there were no bins, there was no collection, and the sweepers used to clean here and throw it over here. There were heaps of garbage. We still have the photographs. When I took over as the MLA, my first mission was to clean that mess. It took us nearly 15-20 days to clear all this garbage. This beach used to always stink of urinals because there was no toilet over here on the beach. So first thing was to set up a toilet, changing room, shower room, which is just behind over here. We set up a bacterial plant to treat this waste, which is on the right hand side. We have done a nice hill of lawn where the treated water is put for the lawn. We are in a process of putting up a nice garden also over there. More extra area for children and elderly people to sit. We have done the beautification of the promenade. And all this is done only for one reason: to promote Goa, to promote the coastal belt. Kalangut Kandolim Baga is the best tourist destination in Goa and attract more number of good tourists like couples, family tourists, also all the other tourists who are coming to Goa to come over here to give business to the local people. A lot of youth who are unemployed, they have started small businesses in this coastal belt of Goa. आणि हे आमचे सगळे अनएम्प्लॉयड यूथ खंय तरी shacks, deck beds, two-wheeler bikes or any other business, grocery items, shops, handicrafts, they sell t-shirts or any other businesses they have set up, and this is only because of tourism. Today the economy of Goa is on tourism. I think 70% of Goans are living on tourism, because 2.5 years the mining have stopped, and 30% of Goans are living on industry or any other allied industries, like you can see elected representatives like the Sarpanchas, Panch or MLA or tourism minister. It is all of you who are over here or who are part of this industry. सगळे जाण आमी मेळोन हे tourism वाडोवपाक जाय. We have to keep this entire beach belt free from garbage, free from plastic waste, free from any dirt. If we are going to attract high-end tourists to Goa, this has to be clean, and for that the cooperation should be given by each and every citizen of Goa, each and every person who is staying in this coastal belt, who is doing business in this coastal belt, and each and every Indian who is coming over here as a tourist. We have put so many bins over here so that anybody brings anything, even a bag, and he wants to throw, he will put it in that bin. To recognize this day, World Tourism Day, who is giving us our livelihood is on this, and bring the locals together, bring the tourists together, and spread awareness that this is the way we have to do, promote tourism. Together we can achieve, together all of us, if we work for clean beaches in Goa, we all have to work together. That is why